All right, hey guys, welcome back to howtobuycrypto.com. My name is Marco, and hopefully you guys are getting the notification. You're seeing, yeah, there it is. I'm live now. I am in the studio. You can hear the microphone queued up, but I'm not quite set up. So I'm just going to do some screen share and say what's going on. So here we go. All right, basically, yeah, first of all, I wanted to say, hey, happy birthday to Reagan. We just got done with the celebration there. It's a little belated here, but we love you, and hopefully, tonight is still going well. We left early. I have had a number of things going on here. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, you can hit me up, join the group here on Facebook, or of course on YouTube where you're watching right now. Let's look at the markets here. 199 billion. 73.94. Let me refresh the page. There you go. Yeah, still 73.94. 199 billion, unless, yeah, there it goes. And so right around 7,400. There's the live view at Poloniex, and right there, this is the same thing, 73.98, right on the edge of 7,400. It's been a good day. Overall, you see all greens here. I've seen a lot of green in the market today. I guess it's turned around by now, but there you go. Some red up here in volume, but I think, USDT, some of these here are doing well. Bitcoin Cash is up in $600, which is, a lot of people are saying they're hedging against the 2x fork with Bitcoin Cash. And hey, I mean, I get it. I get the play. I'm not doing it myself, but I see where that idea comes from. And yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna call foul there. You guys do what you're feeling. Okay, here's the deal. This is what I've been talking about. This is the 9 here. Clear into this month. It's on the 4th, and I've been talking to you guys about 9s, about 13s. Here is the 13 count from off of this 9. That means this cycle has exhausted. At this 13, you see a reversal here, you see a red candle. It's not a reversal on the count, but you do see here a huge difference in the candle. The low was 29.27, and the high was 49.50, so huge swing in price action. So I anticipate seeing that sometime this month. I don't know that we'll get the same pullback, but because of this 9, you see 9 here, you see a red candle, you see 9 here, and the following couple red candles. I do anticipate seeing that coming up, and I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about pulling profit. Let's look at the weekly. Again, we're on a you had this 8. This was a 9. Let's see. No, this is, I'm thinking the daily. Okay, so you see here 8. We didn't have enough to make that 9. I bet this was a 9 at one point, and it folded over to the flip the indicator to red, and you got pullback here. Again, here's a 9. Wasn't able to, and then you get pullback right here. 1 to 4 day normally, and that's what I'm looking for here on the daily. So let's go ahead and flip over. This says that we should have up to 4 more weeks of upside. So we're talking about, the end of November, 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 27, before you see a pullback. But we might not make it there. I tell you guys that 2x, the fork is coming up with Bitcoin. And so on the daily, we're already at the 9. The end of the close of market, yesterday gave us a 9 here, and to me, this is an indication to pull profit. I do believe that after today, we're on the 4th, we're going to see 1 to 4 day pullback. Now, that doesn't mean that it has to. If you look, here you go, you see you got a 1 here, didn't reset the count till here, and you see this pullback. And if you were to make the trade here, this is on the daily. I was telling you guys about this 9 and this 9 here. And you see, red indicators here before it reset the count. This 9, you could have had if you sold it on top of the 9. The high was 58.80, and the low here on the 2 was 5,100. So it's a $700 move, and this actually is going up and down. So these indicators. We're consolidating. Basically, you're seeing that not a significant move one way or the other, and you finally got a reset of the count here on the 28th of October, and we're moving up, and you've got a 13 here, a completion of after this 9, Oh no, actually is all the way back here, and had the count all the way to 13, which says that bull trend has exhausted itself. And of course, you see that red candle there on that 13. And I don't know how your screen looks if you can actually see that, but again, we got a 9 here, and so I'm anticipating pullback anywhere between. I'm going to be watching this between now and tomorrow before the close of the market cycle and see. Good time. I mean, right now would be fine for me to pull profit, and I'd be happy to take my gains. The last Bitcoin I bought, I believe, was 5,700. So plenty of upside there for me to pull profit. And yeah, so yeah, just consider it, guys. You guys are the decision makers of your money, and I just showing you what I see and what I think is we're gonna get 1 to 4 day pullback, but also. I do think, and it doesn't even have to be significant. I just think that it's going to pull back some. It might, like come across this way, 1 or 2 count, or maybe 1 or 2 count positive. It might be green and then keep climbing again. But I do think there is going to be some pullback and some room for me to buy back in cheaper. And so I wanted to let you guys know about that. Now, like I said, you make your own choices on the things that you want to do, and basically a play here on the market. I do believe that we might see again a little bit of sloshing into some of the alts, and we'll see where that goes. We saw that a couple of days ago, or was it yesterday maybe? Guys, I've been running back and forth. I am going to be moving to Dallas in January. We went and put a down payment on an RV. We bought an RV in Houston, and so I've been moving in and out. I've been moving some of my in-laws' furniture out of our house because we are moving in January, and so we're trying to actually. I'm going to end up selling something like 90% of my stuff because we're moving into an RV for a little while we get situated in Dallas and start looking, to buy some property up there. But anyhow, I'm pretty excited about that, and it's also kind of made it difficult for me to be able to come in and do some videos for you. But I will be back on it again. Hopefully Monday we'll be talking, and we'll see. Hey, if we got a red indicator or a green on Monday, and if the the trend is flipped, or if we're going to be going positive. Hey, it'd be great to keep going positive. I was happy when we hit 7K. I told you guys I've been looking for it for over a week now. I've been talking about it, and yeah, we saw it. We're here at 7,400, and congrats to anyone holding Bitcoin. Rock on, and hodl, man. We got 2x. A lot of people are going to be holding into now. Just some heads up. I do think that some people are going to be selling off before 2x, and those that are holding will be selling off very shortly after. We get the time frame for 2x. And so, just be careful if you're going to be pulling profit, try and be one of the first ones to do that, to get the highest return before you buy back in. So that volatility makes me think there's going to be a significant pullback, as people, selling leads to more selling. And so we'll see where the market goes. And we'll be talking more as we lead into it. And I don't want to hope for bad things, but I would love for Bitcoin to be pulled back and test, around 5K or lower, so I can buy back in for cheaper, and load the boat with it. But we'll see how it goes, I'll let you know. We'll keep talking. But hey, guys, you got any questions? You can email me at marco@howtobuycrypto.com. You can hit me up on Facebook. You can hit me up, send me questions in the YouTube channel. Happy to chat with you and see what we can do. So anyhow, I'll talk to you soon, guys. God bless you.